you filed a very high profile case last week.
Yes, for a client of ours whose daughter was deprived of her heart medication for 6 weeks while she was in custody. She had this chest pain, this dizziness, these fainting spells. It's documented in their own records that she had these diagnoses and that she needed the medication, and they didn't give it to her. There are so many different times where it's documented that she complained, and they would bring her out of her cell and do a vitals check and just send her right back in. There's direct quotes from her in the medical records that I'll tear up talking about it, but where she's saying, like, I miss my mom. When do I get to go home? She doesn't really fully understand what's going on, and she's saying my chest hurts. I need my medication. Like I can't breathe. It's terrible. And 6 weeks of this, and they didn't give her her medication, and she had a heart attack within 3 hours of being released.
Wow, and just early 20s.
They actually have had hundreds of claims against them for negligent medical care.
We know of at least one death, probably others. Isn't it crazy that it would have taken 15 minutes of their time and probably a very low cost prescription?
They didn't even need to do that because her mom brought her prescription in and they
God.
took it. They had everything. There was literally no excuse whatsoever not to give her this medication. Just because someone is in custody doesn't mean they don't have rights, doesn't mean they're not a human being deserving of medical treatment, basic medical care.
Basic medical care.